Hi friends, and this is a new cool tutorial where we will show you how to reverse an audio from the selected video which you want to post to your Instagram as a story or as a reel. So let's go to the watching. So in this tutorial we will talk about this additional app InShot, which is free on iPhones and also on Androids. You can set it and install it from the App Store and also from Google Play Store. So I really like it because it's free and it's so convenient in usage. But you need to remember that we will show you right now, we will use this video as an example, and if you want to get to know how to add this background, how to manage your stories and make them more stylish as an example too, you can check our another tutorials on the channel to get to know how to do it very quickly and smoothly. And let's get started. So I will open my InShot app and I have three different options. Let's choose video because, as I said before, we will show you how to reverse audio from the selected video. And later, if you will have the popped up notification about the permissions, you need to select allow. We won't have it, so let's tap on the new option and select one of the appeared video from the gallery. Let's choose this one, which about I talked before, and tap on the green check mark at the bottom of the screen to get to the edit mode, to go to the edit mode. Later we have a lot of different options, additional features, but we have the last option, reverse. Let's pick on it, but before I will show you the sound of my video. I enabled the volume settings and let's tap on the play. Let's check it.
Check if Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a...
So let's refresh my sound after reverse my sound after tapping on the reverse option here and wait some time before the uploading. Let's check the result after clicking on this play icon again.
See how the right was, that's the run it was.
As you can check, my audio is successfully reversed. To save this newly created video, let's tap on the save option at the top. I also can choose another resolution, frame rate, format, etc. But I want to save it as default and wait some time. Okay. Let's check the result after going to the photos, and I want to, yes, I have my newly created video here.
Was that the run it?
Well done. Let's go to the Instagram app to add my new video as a reel. So when I am on the profile page, as you can check, I can open profile page after tapping on this last icon at the bottom of the screen, and after clicking on the plus icon at the top, I need to choose reel. Later I won't pick on the central white button, but I need to go to this gallery app and use the last video. Amazing. Later let's press add and next. Well done. I will, as you can check, we have the watermark, but in this way I can cut it and remove it from my reel. Later let's tap on the next option to share this reel with my friends and upload it to my profile page. Share. I will disable the volume right now and wait some time before the posting. And I hope that this tutorial was really very useful because we have a lot of questions about how to reverse an audio from the video. And yes, it's very simple to do and very convenient. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video if it was important for you and needful. I hope that right now we will be able to check the result. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, let's activate the sound. Yes, everything is successfully saved. Goodbye.